Thanks for joining us today for our science lesson. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Hello. Let's do our meditation. That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap. And close your eyes. Feel for boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand to your lap. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. And let's begin our lesson. In this science lesson, we're going to be reviewing magnets and electricity a little bit more. So first we'll think about magnets, come up with as many ideas as we can about magnets, then electricity. If we need some reminders, we'll look at our PowerPoint in between. And then we've got some YouTube videos to watch, and we're going to play a little game at the end of class to review our magnets. So let's think about magnets first. Magnets. Magnets. It starts with an M. Magnet. What sound comes next? And magnet. Close. It does sound like an I. It's an E. And what's the last sound we hear? Magnet. T. T. And we can put an S on there. Magnets. Magnets. Raise your hand and tell me one thing about magnets. Tell me.
Plug.
Which one?
Plug.
Plus?
No, plug.
Plug. Oh, save that one for electricity. We're going to talk about electricity next. Save that one for electricity. That's a good one.
North.
North. Our magnets use north
And south.
south? What does south start with? What does south start with? U, south. TH. South. Yeah, our magnets have a north and a south end. The door handle?
Yeah.
What's that made of? What material is that? Metal. Metal. M-E. Metal. T-E-L. Yeah, like our metal rulers. And like the nails, the metal. Our pencil boxes, our rulers, some of our nails. Good. What other words do you think about when you hear magnet? Magnet. What other words do you think about? What does a magnet do? Attract. And what does attract mean? Pull. Good. Let's put those words. Attract. That magnet will attract metal things. It will pull metal things to them. Good. Let's do repel. If we put a north and north end of magnets together, they're going to repel. They're going to push each other away. They will repel. They will push. Push. Help me spell push. P. Push. U. That's for pull. That's for pull. Good one. Push. S-H. Push. S-H. Push. Like repel. Push. And pull. Lackout. How do we spell pull? Double L. Good job. Show me pull. Pull. Attract. Attract. And what does repel mean? Push. Push. Repel. 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 Attract. Repel. Attract. Repel. Attract. Good job, friends. So remember, repel is push, attract is pull. Our magnets usually have a north end and a south end. What if we put south and south together? What will happen?
Repel.
Repel. What if we put north and south together? What will happen? They're going to attract. What if we put south and south together? They're going to repel. They're going to push apart. We're going to push apart. What if we have N and S together? They're going to attract. Good. N and S. Just like on our magnet, we see the letter N or the letter S. What if we have S and S? Repel. N and N. Repel. They're going to repel. N and S. They're going to attract. Very nice work, friends. Those magnets are going to attract when we have north and south, or when we have N and S. They will pull together. If we have two N's, two norths, they're going to push apart. Two souths, they're going to push apart. So we're going to use that information in our game a little bit later in our lesson. Okay, next let's think about electricity. 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 Can you practice that word? Electricity. Electricity. Very nice. Tell me some words about electricity. Like a computer uses electricity. Lackow, you had a word before that we were going to save for electricity. Plug. Can you help me spell it? P. Plug. L. Close. Plug. U. Plug. What sound do you hear at the end? Plug. G. Very nice. Very nice. You got another word for us? About electricity? Which word? Iron? Iron. And iron uses electricity. Very nice. Tell me. A TV uses electricity. Easy to spell. TV. A light uses electricity. A light or a lamp. Tell me. The fan uses electricity. Nadia, tell me. The air conditioner. Laka, tell me. The fridge. Good. Pankon, tell me. Speakers. Yeah, the loud music. Good thinking, friends. We've got a lot of things that use electricity. Tell me. Computer. Microphone. Telephone. Good. You got another one, Pangpon?
Yeah.
Tell me. The air conditioner. Good. Kuriyai's camera. Good. Tell me. Television. Yep. Good. Cell phone, like our telephone. Tell me. The kettle. Kettle to make hot water. Good thinking. Very nice. Kettle. All of these things use electricity. All of those things that use electricity.
And feed that.
And which one?
Microwave.
Oh, microwave. To put your food in? Microwave? Good. Good job, friends. Microwave. I can't see it. Can you go get the picture? Microwave. Which one? Refrigerator. Yep. Fridge. Good. Do you have another one for us? Television? Yep. Television uses electricity. Good job, friends. And the lights and the fan. Good. And a lamp. Okay, let's put lamp on here. Think about the word Lakau gave us. Plug. Plug. Do you remember what that long part is called? Cord. Good. Yeah, the cord. And what does the cord go into? The part in the wall. Do you remember what that's called? It does start with an S. Socket. Socket. That's the part that has the holes in the wall. Socket. Yeah, that's the part that can be dangerous. Yeah, we've got a socket up there. Very nice. We've got a socket there. Yeah, good. Everybody point to a socket in our classroom. We have so many. We have so many. Headphones, earphones. Good. Earphones. We've got microphones. Very nice, friends. Is this a lot of things that use electricity?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a lot of things that use electricity. And Kuriyai's computer, all his things, they use a lot of electricity. That's right. That part on the bottom? I see what you're talking about, yeah. And one other thing? What did you say, Pro? Washing machine. Over here? Okay, let's put it right over there. A washing machine. A washing machine uses electricity. Do you have another one for us?
And sit down for me.
Like the computer? No.
ติด 1 2 3ติด Brownie for me ไมโครเวฟใช่ไหม
Like a microwave with our food? No. Like,
ที่ช่วยประกอบ money and tick number and ding 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 ding
oh, to get the money out, like from the bank? Oh, yeah, like the ATM. Good thinking, dude. ATM. Yep, that uses electricity. We didn't even talk about that one. ATM. ATM. Yep. Good job, friends. Okay, we're going to look at our PowerPoint for electricity, but first we're going to do a little stretch break. So everybody stand up. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, friends, put your arms up over your head. Stretch all your fingers. Put your arms in a T. And touch your toes. Go up and swing your monkey arms. Very nice. Very nice. Good job, friends. Okay, everybody turn to a neighbor. Turn to a neighbor. Turn to a neighbor. I'm going to go it down today so you guys can make a neighbor. Tell that neighbor hello. Tell that neighbor hello with your other hand. Give your neighbor a high five up top. Give your neighbor a high five down low. Very nice. Give your neighbor a high five in the middle. Give your neighbor double high five. Boop. Very nice. Hold hands with your neighbor. Shake their hand. What do we do next? Spins. Woo! Woo! Spin your neighbor. Get a couple of spins. Let's do it together. Ready? Go this way.
1 2 3
Woo! Okay, tell that neighbor thank you. And tell that neighbor you're welcome. Very nice job, friends. Let's do 4 big jumps. Good. Let's do 3 big claps. We'll do animals next time. And 2 big steps. 1 big spin. Okay, let's do 4 little tiny claps. And let's take 2 little steps. Show me 3 little jumps. And 1 little spin. Great job. Everybody can take a seat. Okay, we're going to review our conductors. Conductors. Good, friends. Conductor is something that electricity moves through those conductors. Conductor. That electricity is moving through that conductor. Yeah, we don't want to have wet hands when we touch our plugs and the sockets. Conductor. Yeah, we want conductors. Conductors. What kinds of things are conductors? Yeah, usually things that are metal are a conductor. Yeah, or long wires. Things like long wires. So we have a toothbrush, wire, and a stick. What do you think is the conductor? What's going to move that electricity through it? Yeah, what do you think? Is it going to be the wire, the toothbrush, or the stick? Yeah, why? Because it's the metal one. Electricity moves through some metal object. So it's going to be our wire. Our wire will be our conductor. Okay, we've got our conductors. Do you remember the opposite of conductor? Things that are like plastic. Insulators. Insulators. Stop that electricity. Insulators. Good job. Insulators. Stops that electricity. Show me with your hand. Insulators. Insulator. Conductor. Insulator. Conductor. Insulator. Conductor. Insulator. Conductor. Insulator. Good job, friends. That conductor moves that electricity. That insulator stops it, just like here. Stops that electricity from moving through. So just like on our cords, we've got metal cords inside. It's covered in plastic so that we can touch those cords, so that it's safe to touch those cords. Yeah. What kinds of things are insulators? What kind of things are insulators?
Banana.
A banana could be an insulator. Very nice. Or an apple. Yeah, what kinds of things are going to stop that electricity? Probably our stick. Do you think the toothbrush will stop the electricity? Yeah, it might. Things that are not metal, they stop that electricity. They stop that electricity. Pang Pan, what do you think is going to stop that electricity on here? What do you think? The toothbrush might stop that electricity. Good thinking. And the stick will probably stop that electricity. What is the toothbrush made of? What material is that toothbrush? Plastic. And what about our stick? Wood. Wood. Yeah. Good. That wood is going to stop that electricity from moving. Conductors. What pictures do we have here, friends? Glass, spoon, and a nail. What do you think is a conductor? What is the spoon? Why the spoon and the nail? Good, because they're made of metal. Glass is different. Good. Those metal things are going to move that electricity through them. Things that are insulators do not let that electricity move. They stop that electricity. So if we have these things, shoes, a fork, a box, and a nail, what do you think is going to stop that electricity? Yeah. Why the box and the shoes? Yeah, because there's no metal. Those shoes could be rubber and plastic. They're insulators. And our box is made out of paper, so it's an insulator. It's going to stop that electricity from moving. Very good job, friends. Friends, take a look at this. What is this? Glass. Glass. Do you think this is a conductor or an insulator? Insulator. Why is it an insulator? Because it's made of glass. It's not made of metal, it's made of glass. So it's going to be an insulator. It will stop that electricity. What about this?
Metal.
Is it a conductor or an insulator? Why is it a conductor? Ooh. Yeah, so this metal part, is that going to move the electricity or stop the electricity? It's going to move that electricity. It's a conductor. It's a conductor. It's going to move that electricity. What about this little plate? It's made of wood, so is that a conductor or an insulator? Insulator. Good, friends. It's going to stop that electricity. Very nice. What about this?
Cup.
This little cup. What do you think? Is that going to be a conductor or an insulator?
Insulator.
Why is it an insulator?
It is plastic.
Because it's plastic. It's going to stop that electricity. What about our hole punch?
Metal.
What's it made of?
Metal.
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 Metal. Is that a conductor or an insulator?
Conductor.
Why is it a conductor? If it's made of metal, it's going to move that electricity. What about this?
Plastic.
It's plastic. Will that be a conductor or an insulator? Yeah, it's going to be an insulator. It's going to stop that electricity. Very nice job, friends. We're going to take a look at some PowerPoint videos. There's a short video about how electricity works and a song. So play the song a few times and the students can sing along to the chorus and look at the picture. Okay, we're going to spend the next 10 minutes or so playing a little game. What do you think this is a picture of? N and S. Where do we see N and S usually? North and south. So what do you think this is? Magnet. It's going to be a magnet. Okay, Pakboon, come up here please with your magnet. Please. So friends, everybody's going to get a magnet. You're going to hold your magnet. Can we stand next to each other?
Yes.
Why? N and S. What if we're like this? Can we stand next to each other?
No.
No, we're going to repel apart. If we have N and N next to each other, it doesn't work. We repel. We repel. What if I have N and S? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, then we can connect. So we're going to practice with a few friends. Pang Pong, come up here. Down, come up here. How can we connect? Will that work? Uh-oh.
Yes.
N and N, is that going to
No.
attract?
Me and Pong.
You and Pang Pong will attract. Down, how can you change your magnet so that you can attract? Will that work? N and S together?
Yeah.
They're going to attract. Okay, very nice, friends. Let's have a few more friends join us. You can stay. You can stay up here. You can stay up here. We're going to see if Pat and Nadia can join us. We're going to see if Pat and Nadia can join us. Pat's got S and S. Will that connect? Will that attract?
Yes.
S and S?
No, Pat.
No, Pat, how can you change your magnet? Pat is repelled.
She's gonna be S and S.
Uh-oh. S and S, they're connecting. Okay, let's have some more friends. Come on up. Come on up. Show how we can all attract. If I have S and S, do we attract?
No.
No, we repel. We repel. N and S, that's gonna pull together. Very nice. Uh-oh, that girl's got N and N. She's gonna push apart from Pen Pen. Pat and N, they're gonna push apart. They're gonna repel. Good job, friends. Okay, you're gonna repel apart. Uh-oh, you're gonna repel apart. If you have the same letter next to each other, you push apart. You push apart. Uh-oh, Nadia changed her magnet. She's gonna push away. You're gonna push away. Stand up. Okay, you're gonna connect. Let's see. Uh-oh. They're gonna push away. If you have S next to S, you guys are attracting. Okay, how can you connect? How can you connect? N and S. Okay, that attracts. Good. That attracts. Very nice. Uh-oh. Oh, here she comes back. She is attracted now. Black gal's repelling. Good job. Good job. Very nice. Are you attracted? Are you all attracted? Yeah. Uh-oh. See attracted? What do you think? N and S. Will that pull?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, uh-oh. Pot changed. 2 N's. What's going to happen? He's going to push away. He's going to repel away. Uh-oh. Attract. If you have the same letters, you repel. If you have N and S, you attract. Very good. N and S. Okay, here we go. We can attract. Hello. Goodbye. Are you repel? Okay, which side do you have, guys? What do you have? Are you attracting there? Okay. Pots repel. Very nice. Okay, good job, friends. Show me how we can all line up. Everybody show me how we can all line up. What? How can you connect? Let's see. Show me how you can connect. Yep, that one attracts. Okay, there you go. If you can show me your magnets, friends. Is everybody attracting? N and S, N and S. We have all N and S. Okay, very nice, friends. Very nice. Everybody make a line at the whiteboard. Move around, move around. Move, change places. Thanks for joining us for our science lesson today. What happens if we have N and S together? We're going to attract. What if we have S and S together? Repel. What if we have N and N together? Repel. Great job, my friends. Thanks for joining us today. Can everyone say goodbye?